nyina no ebotri masem ka eyenkontompusem what na se we be twa ntwa to nua so na say nipa we di ni be leader say mimi nkodi na chi na hwan ni nkodi na chi
omo abedi na chi ombedi
ye wie no koto aba minua koye the victory of the NDC is coming again ene onu hu say ye nua no ma ye dada ye na ye ne mani si ye akosi say omu hu light na ya shase na ye tagi wo mu no mu echi si mu out. And I know, sir, gradually, no. Omo light na omo free NDC. Not say bia omo join NPP, but omo pentro NDC muno. Enye kakre ya yehu ye. There are a lot of silent majority they can discern and know. So who say dunke tetin be jina bontin be kan say mu nyina na me NDC ne akumi wa ko jina police station aye adwuma. Na ye by na be ka chem say resource a me see nya ye na de ba ka wantimi ankambu ma. Mensa medi wachi na she said next one ebeko betimi akambu etimi de ya I will focus on NPP ye ma ye nimre ye nya ye dwumaden e wo ye polling station de bia me kan and I will sit here again and say it. The easiest I met him the example ye Miami constituency and I always tell them, and I did that in 2016, say abato ye ntuno constituency officer ye ntuno electoral area coordinator fie wo polling station chairman no executive no momo ho ene ye to aba no. It is our strategy behind the winning election. You do that strategy with the 5 polling station executives. Some polling station ya kwa be ne faso be adwuma na be win. We did that in 2016. 2024 some of us will lead and we will do the same kind of campaign. I'm sure say breaking the age will be the easiest election for us. Say yeah, say entoto ye ni ehihye ni ya. Ebi mu fear say oh but ohwe niema ekoso sese ya share economy no and what say I can understand. Sometimes I want to buy you rate me fi circumstances I ma ho kire ne ba. It is say bia ka say wo draw nipa attention yes yet say COVID no the issues by any there but still if you say niema no ho kire no e wo soro kakra. And no na nipa bi fi say ya hwe ya NPP break the be man my aye diama mo. Yaw I can confidently say where we are going the next 2 years before election, Ghana for be chom musama bo musama ma NPP abanya ka say ahoche we nyina achi say Ghana economy etimi a stabilize turning around na improvement growth say ba then we need to give NPP the opportunity to continue.
Ma yanka ka ye ho kakra from the camp of the NDC. That was 2009 Fifi Kwete at the appointment committee.
We'll let him answer better. This thing, please.
Now, so Obi wo ye Ramahama ho na osi o support Broja. O was all right no because omu nyina ye pet him ba. Ojo wonti asesa. And or ye rational human being so nti se ubu nipa na nintia. O wo ho kwan se obu oni ni dia wo ni ma ninti no on support o. Eninti abu a odi bu no ne de NDC fo a wo mu nim sa asem no. Enim. Me see part into my gufin wa bonten. Enti me share NDC ni na me ye campaign na internal matter. Metumi aka achirim. But we no TV ha menka. It is the only way you Julius Debra din eba Broja Jemfi in the campaign team come on to clarify that matter. That South for na obo mu din ahohoro mu te said yomu ye ni tipen. Abra omu ye ni tipen no. Enya so omu po bi o ye weak na control no. There were there ye wonuntia. Ye Ramahama was wa endorse no. Broja Jemfi ni ya ye support no. Say o endorse. No the krata ba bonten say. Ekona ekoso na abato na ekoso no gina mfinfin. Obi ani wa odi obi din aye campaign. Afedie. Asrese me wom. Oh, Same Jemfi. As for things about Same Jemfi is a small boy, you know. Those are below the belt. This are uncommon. We need to, stay above those things. Me penesakra. I enjoy that. Your youth is good. I'm enjoying it. Bible say youth is good. It way akokrafa, we metusalafa encourage. But this issue of Same Jemfi a mansion. Yes,
I was going to ask you. That's a mansion.
Maton mansion.
Oh, East Lagos.
East Lagos. They say airport hills. Now they are all tipos. So, Mr. A prophecy will be prophesied into my life, and so I receive it. Me resort. And for me, go East Lagos because area no my born. What am I pay? I want to see me. So go you.
Open airport hills.
Airport hills. Any planet war. Any planet war.
Wouldn't mansion or ho.
Me ba any planet war.
Any power.
NPP for one NDC for one
cow.
That is a minya wa mentra. Nyame mani mrem. Yase me wo Land Cruisers nkwansia.
That's what I say.
Madofo amutie me ba akope. Eno kwa yewra mahama ho do ti bi de che me.
What I say?
Me say.
That's what 6.
Ma menyi 6 ni nyina ntum na mrem. Asre sem we kwadwo.
And I say be kwa ye be kwa mo congress the fatre be find India train camera.
Kwadwo. Let me tell you something. Pictures no mu show no. On social media, portals be a publisher. I am not the owner of any of those houses. But me bomb pies I can own a house like that. And in fact, a dia me pese me sia. Me ye hu adwuma no. E be 5 times pictures no mu show no mo teso. Me see we am koyo no be ko ho to. Because the den say wonu ya sa me jemfia me da hey. Me nya kronfo. Me mo krono da. Uwiemfo but say me maame to nkusua.
When did you see that?
Me nya aban adwuma da me aban ntua me kada.
One sign contract bia.
Me sign contract da. Kojo so te me cho na say. Party adwuma me ye. Party adwuma me ye 99% of the things I do for the party, I raise money to do it myself. Hey. Because in life, enye fia ya wu mu say me bra wo sika na me bra na finance NDC. Enye no ne hie o. It is a favor of God. And they open doors for people. And me nyomwa omubo hiyama omo na omo in politics. And yema omo they pretend as if they are poor to deceive the grassroots. Me yema me amemo say yema me. And me ba me say ma chambo nyabi. Kojo, God has been gracious and kind to me throughout my life. Na kojo uni me na me okay me no na me na mfo.
David.
Na me danguram.
David.
Na me dan pepa damu.
David.
Mi swa obi timika
no ka de pepa.
Obi timika say oye adwuma we hin na den. Na nyame be hira me a obi bisa wansansa na we hira me. Onyame wo hwe obi adwuma so no de hira no. Di onyame hira no we hira no. Na obi ka ni nyame no na obi so nya dan enyina ho. Kojo mi wie national service I was not even employed for 1 week. Obi an a story, obi an experience. I did not even seek for a job. Go bisa Kofi Asante of Insura FM. Kwan na me so manya me bie kwan ma me ni ewura kodwo bonsu ko ye adwuma wo KMA. I was not receiving a peso from KMA or government. But onyame adom a wode dom me nti no. Eni nipa ba makwamu a me boa wo nti no. Me wadofo bebre ene me dru kumase na me fa phone. I can call 10 people, everybody will respond. Adia me se me pibia so mo obi nko mo de be ma me. Dia no man count me so kumase. Me na mete ya no. Since I left KMA all these years, what is obi aba be ka se sami jemfia bo obi apo, sami jemfia bo obi kro no.